Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to learn English by watching YouTube videos. YouTube is an amazing tool for learning English because you can find videos on any topic, practice listening, and even improve your speaking skills. Today, I'll show you some tips and strategies to make the most out of YouTube for learning English. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Choose videos based on your level. It's important to watch videos that match your English level. If you're a beginner, look for videos with simple language and subtitles. Here's what to do. Search for English for Beginners or Basic English Lessons. Look for videos that explain things slowly and clearly. This will help you understand more and avoid getting frustrated. Tip number 2. Use subtitles. Subtitles can be a big help when learning English. You can turn on English subtitles or even subtitles in your native language. Watch the video with English subtitles to follow along with the speaker. If something is difficult to understand, pause the video and read the subtitles. This is a great way to improve both your listening and reading skills. Tip number 3. Repeat and practice. One of the best ways to learn is by repeating what you hear. Here's how you can practice. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat what the speaker says. Try to copy their pronunciation and intonation. This will help you improve your speaking and listening at the same time. Tip number 4. Watch different types of content. You don't have to only watch English lessons. You can learn by watching anything you enjoy, like travel vlogs, cooking tutorials, or tech reviews in English, interviews, or podcasts that feature native speakers. Watching different types of content exposes you to real-life English and helps you learn how people use the language in everyday situations. Tip number 5. Take notes. Taking notes while watching videos helps you remember new words and phrases. Here's how you can do it. Write down new vocabulary you hear. Make a list of useful expressions or phrases. Review your notes later to reinforce what you've learned. Tip number 6. Interact with the content. You can also engage with the YouTube community by commenting on videos. Write a comment in English to practice your writing. Ask questions or share your thoughts on the topic. This helps you practice and get feedback from other learners or even the video creator. Quick review. How to learn English watching YouTube videos. Choose videos based on your level. Look for English for Beginners or easy content. Use subtitles. Watch with English subtitles to follow along. Repeat and practice. Pause the video and repeat what you hear. Watch different types of content. Find videos on topics you enjoy. Take notes. Write down new words and phrases to review later. Interact with the content. Comment on videos to practice your writing. By using these strategies, you'll be able to learn English effectively by watching YouTube videos. You'll improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary skills while having fun with content you enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!